Hi, this is Shashank Upadhyay.
Hi, this is Rashmi Upadhyay.
So we were very excited when we got our house around 9 months back, and we were actually looking, at someone who can partner with us to make this house the kind of home which we have visualized to stay in. And Rashmi and I both were meeting a lot of interior designers, some of the very big names in the industry, and somehow we felt that something was not clicking. And when we met this lovely couple, Mrs. Bhavisha Kamdar and Mr. Paresh Kamdar, they were both came in at a very short notice, I remember, and they saw the house and they listened to us patiently, and we shared our initial thought process with them as to what we're looking at. We had certain things in mind, we had certain color patterns in mind, and we were obviously confused for some things which were to be done at house. And one statement which I remember Bhavisha made at that point of time was that people buy a house for themselves and not for showing others or for guests. They are just some visitors which come and stay with us for a couple of days. The rest is we have to spend our life with it, and that's how we saw that kind of a clarity of thoughts in them, and that's how we thought that this is the best kind of partnership which we can have.
So basically, as Shashank said, both of them, Bhavisha and Paresh Bhai, both of them have been a wonderful, they have done a really good job, workmanship, their attitude towards work, their patience, everything has really, amazed us. Basically, you can, even the whole result, the output of the house, when it came out, it was amazing.
And one thing which was a stark difference between them and the other interior designers which we have met was all of the other interior designers tried to impress us with the 3D prints and all, all of them. These two guys did not even share a single 3D print, with us till date. What we saw was, what we could imagine is what we, got. That's as simple as that.
When we talk about kitchen, I mean, it was not an easy task. So basically, the kitchen layout of this house was not a straight layout or a simple kind of a thing. So we, she had to really work hard to, get the kitchen design in place, plus our liking to use, utilize maximum space and give the beauty to the kitchen. So she has really done a good job in it, and the whole kitchen has come out really well. We took that call of keeping it open. That's also because of Bhavisha. She gave that kind of an, confidence to us that yes, you should have this kind of an layout, and it has really come out beautiful.
Coming ahead of the kitchen, we had everything like from sofa set to the dining table to the center table to the TV unit. Everything I think was very well coordinated, both between Bhavisha and Paresh Bhai, which I completely appreciate that that he is the guy who just executes, and when it comes to designing, it is only Bhavisha. So sometimes I got disappointed in Paresh Bhai that he could not just take by a stand. When I had a disagreement with Bhavisha, I had no one to take support of.
So it is really a beautiful part that they are very clear in their professional approach. That's where I call the attitude towards work, the approach towards work is really professional, and they have really done a great job. And in this whole journey, they have become like more of a friends, like a family members now. So it's such an open discussion that we can have with them that okay, fine, this is okay or this is not okay, or where can we get this at a better price, or so that kind of an rapport and relationship we have developed with them.
When the house was nearly ready, my biggest worry was that I will not get to see these guys again. We had this thought that the USP of this house was that it's open on east and it's open on west. So why not to capitalize on the natural ventilation, the natural lighting effect which comes in this house, and we had to do a lot of adjustment. We were not sure as to how we are going to channelize that wind, how we are going to channelize that light, but at the end it took some amount of jugglery, but at the end what we got was that today when I sit in my living room, I can have a view of the sunrise as well as of the sunset without even moving. We were looking at a wardrobe design of a certain kind. We were wanting for a TV in a bedroom, which initially we thought that we'll have that, but in between Rashmi said that we should not have TV in my bedroom, and the complete wardrobe design changed. One is looking at a great team to work with. Both of these people were great companions. They are there to stand by you, even if it means sitting late till 2 o'clock in the morning. All you need to do is offer them some coffee. That's one thing. But on a serious note, we both of us were quite impressed with the workmanship. I wish them all the best, and thank you for assisting us in this wonderful journey. We are happy that we got our dream house.
Yeah, so it was an amazing journey with both of them, and they have really made our dream house what we dreamt of.